We've found more than 5,000 planets beyond our solar system, and almost none of them are anything like Earth. Some are stranger than anything science fiction ever dared to invent. Worlds where it rains molten metal, a world darker than coal, a planet made quite literally of diamond, and one that is being devoured alive by its own star, right now as you watch. Tonight we're counting down the 7 strangest planets we have ever discovered. And the closer we get to number 1, the harder they are to believe. Let's begin. Number 7. 640 light-years away is a planet called WASP-76b, and on its daytime side, the temperature climbs past 2,400 degrees. Hot enough that metal doesn't melt, it boils. Iron in the atmosphere turns to vapor, rises and blows around to the cooler night side. And there, it does what vapor does when it cools. It condenses. It falls. On WASP-76b, it rains iron, droplets of molten metal falling from a sky on fire. Stand on the night side and you'd watch a storm of liquid iron pour down out of the dark. And it only gets stranger from here. Number 6. Every planet you know moves in a gentle, nearly circular orbit. HD 80606b does not. It swings around its star on the most lopsided path we've ever seen, racing in close, then flinging far out, over and over. And when it makes its closest approach, something violent happens. In just 6 hours, the temperature of the entire planet rockets upward by more than 700 degrees. The atmosphere can't cope. Storms erupt at thousands of miles an hour, shockwaves rolling across the whole world in a matter of hours. A global firestorm that ignites every single orbit and then dies back down. A planet with the most extreme seasons in the known universe. And number 5 is stranger still. Number 5. Picture a planet that barely reflects any light at all. It's called Rarest 2b, and it is the darkest world ever found. It throws back less than 1% of the light that hits it. That's darker than coal, darker than black paint. If you stood near it, you almost wouldn't be able to see it. It would just be a hole where the stars should be. And yet it isn't truly black. It's so blisteringly hot, over 1,000 degrees, that it glows, faintly, from its own heat. A dull, sullen, ember red. The darkest planet in the universe, quietly smouldering in the dark like a dying coal. And now it gets bigger. Number 4. You know Saturn's rings, one of the most beautiful sights in our solar system, now make them 200 times bigger. Far away sits an object we call J1407b, and if the readings are right, it is wrapped in a ring system so vast it defies belief, stretching nearly 90 million kilometers across. More than 30 distinct rings, dwarfing anything Saturn could dream of. If those rings circled a planet where Saturn sits, they would fill our night sky. Bigger than the full moon, glowing arcs stretching from horizon to horizon. We're still confirming it's real. But if it is the largest ring system ever discovered. A super-Saturn, hiding in the dark. And number 3 shouldn't be possible at all. Number 3. We think of planets as cold things and stars as hot ones. Kelt 9b erases that line completely. Its daytime side burns at over 4,300 degrees, hotter than the surface of many actual stars. It is so hot that molecules can't survive there. The atmosphere is torn apart into raw, glowing atoms of iron and titanium, metals, vaporized into gas. The star it orbits is slowly boiling it away, and the planet trails a faint, glowing tail of its own evaporating atmosphere behind it, like a comet the size of a world. A planet so hot it has no business being called a planet. And the top 2 are the strangest of all. Number 2. This one sounds like a fairy tale, and it's completely real. Orbiting a dead, spinning star 4,000 light-years away is a planet that appears to be made almost entirely of crystalline carbon. In other words, a planet-sized diamond. It was once a star itself, a companion that got stripped down to its bare core by the pulsar beside it, crushed under unimaginable pressure until the carbon inside hardened. It's denser than any planet in our solar system, whipping around its dead star once every 2 hours. An entire world of diamond, glittering in the dark, circling a corpse. And after that, number 1 is the one that stays with you. Not the hottest, the most doomed. So close that a year there lasts about a single Earth day. So close that the star's gravity has stretched the entire planet out of shape, pulled it into the form of an egg, a world deformed by the pull of the thing that's killing it. Because that's what's happening. The star is siphoning the planet's atmosphere away, pulling streams of it off into space and swallowing them. WASP-12b is being consumed, slowly, in real time. And in a few million years, there will be nothing left, just a star and the memory of the world it ate. We are, quite literally, watching a planet die. Here's the part worth sitting with. Not one of these worlds was imagined. We didn't invent them, we found them, all of them, real, out there, right now. And we've barely begun to look. 5,000 planets sounds like a lot, until you remember our galaxy holds hundreds of billions of stars, and the universe holds trillions of galaxies. The strange ones aren't the exception, they're the rule. Calm, blue, temperate worlds like ours may be the rarest thing of all, which means somewhere out there tonight, orbiting a star no one has named yet, is a planet stranger than every one we've just seen, still waiting to be found. If that rearranged the sky for you a little, subscribe and keep looking up with us. This is the Deep Field.